Yo, what's up, my party people? We are back for another free Fab giveaway. If you're new around here, every 2 weeks, Fab gives away free assets every fortnight. Today, we have Platformer 8 Underworld. We've got Advanced Phone System and Modular Medieval Wall Pack. All of these are for free for the next 2 weeks, so pick them up while you can. It's about £157 for me, but these are all relatively small. They downloaded really quickly, which is a nice change. So Platformer looks like a stylized platformer asset. It looks really cool. We'll take a look at this, have it in level, see what the crack is. Advanced Phone System is probably the one that most people are excited about. I remember in GTA 4 getting calls from Roman on my phone.
Nico, it's Roman. Let's go bowling.
So this one's really cool. Dialogue screen, security camera system, minimap system. It's only got 15 blueprints, so we'll take a look at that. Bank login system, shopping app, normal phone. I think everyone forgets that a phone can actually make phone calls. Note app, camera system, music player. The music player is interesting. This is Umut Farouk, who published the Climb Everywhere plugin that we covered. So I thought that was cool. And it is multiplayer replicated as well. So we'll take a look at this one in game. And then we've got Kitbash modular walls. Normally I'm not a fan of Kitbash assets. I think they're too heavy for usage in games, but this one downloaded really quite quickly, so we'll take a look at this one as well. So here we are with our character running around. There's a couple of weird like step up issues on here. It's like these steps are too high to step up, so we've got to jump up them. The collision seems fine on them, but they might be too high for the regular settings, so you might just need to adjust those. Got the standard issue of the character mover component. Can't wait for Mover to solve that. But we're just going to run through this little assault course and see what the crack is here. I like these barrels. I think these are cool. Spinning discs. Will I make it through? Really bad at video games. Fighting the camera here. And then we've got these collectible pickups. So there's no code here at all for what it is, but these are props rather than a coded project. But the code's really simple. Just add the code in. So you can see all of these would be really cool for your stylized platformer. I like the addition of these like gems and coins and stuff, but you'll have to think of a way of combating the character mover components issues with rotating objects. So it just has a physics issue, as you can see here, but that's less to do with the actual object and more to do with the actual character mover component. Oh, this is a cool little crown at the end. Look at that. That's awesome. Some chests over here as well. So all in all, I think this is a cool little design. I like the style of it. It's, as I say, it's very stylized, but you do get some cool stuff. So the firing stuff doesn't move. It's just very static. A bunch of static meshes that you can use for your games with some pre-made blueprints as well. Okay, so that there's an interesting point here where these static meshes have the actual blueprint component added to them inside the world rather than making blueprints of them that rotate. That's cool, but it means that you have to set that up yourself. Like these won't move between levels because this is just a static mesh here rather than an actual blueprint. So all of these are like scene components that you add to them, and that makes them work. You add them direct in levels, so I presume that's going to get pretty faffy pretty quick rather than just having a blueprint that you pull out. Because you've got to go into each of these manually, go to details, go to add, and then get the deformator. So this is the platformer stylized asset. Let me know what you think. There's a few things I like in here. I like all the emissive materials and stuff. These are really cool. Here we have the phone demo level. So let's toggle the phone on so you can play videos inside of the actual phone. Right mouse to go back, take a picture. Security camera system in here as well. You can view the pictures you've taken. There is a lot in here. Flashlight system too. Animation is funky, but we're not bothered about the animation, we're bothered about the actual usage. Some epic music from Epic. This is nice, this is smooth, it feels really good to like play with. Minimap system, there I am. Let's try and call someone. Let's try and call a contact. Let's try and call Finn.
Finn, where are you?
I was resting. What happened?
Come to me immediately.
Okay, I am coming.
And Finn comes to us. Oh man, that is impressive. Who's the other guy? Frank. Send him a message. Frank doesn't know how to respond or is ghosting us. No. Frank doesn't want to speak to us anymore. So this is cool. There's a lot here to go through. Very cool blueprint. Cameras up here. Let's take a picture and send it. We can even go into selfie mode. Look at it, it's so cool. We send it to Finn. Right, let's do the message. We don't have a Finn. So overall, this is a very cool system that with some expanded functionality could be like really nice as well. It's already got a lot of functionality in here. Like the gallery's cool. Click on it, delete it, save it. Like videos are cool. I enjoy all of this. You could have a cool tutorial system set up in here. Yeah, no, this is a nice asset. Minimap system. Browser doesn't work because we disconnected the URL, but I presume you just fix the URL in there. You can have a proper browser set up as well. That's very cool, very nice. And it's multiplayer, isn't it? So let's do 2 players. See what happens when we do multiplayer. So we're on the phone. It's cool, and it even calls the other player. I have no idea what to say. It's not voice over IP. That is cool. That is like really nice. Yeah, that's a smooth, free asset. Some bugs in here, but for the most part, super simple, super clean. No, I like that one a lot. Let me know what you think on that one. And then we've got modular medieval walls pack. This is walls. So yeah, that's some modular pieces of walls to snap together, make some pack level actors, make some blueprints. Not really much to say on this one. This one's probably my least favorite of the 3 because it is just a bunch of walls. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and yeah, will you be using the phone to make the next GTA? And as usual, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.